Umentri rang ba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma ha ka shipo trikla lingkan ula penram jor halor ka jinga kan an ka balajia ha gold gown ka bahap haraja bala police station West Garo Hills ka bala shim ya ka jing im jong uwe u samna bat pemen saw jor ya uwe pan u Konrad ula kula ru ban le dak bating persha ya kitu badan kti halor ka jingyam jong udukhat ka seng achik dil seng em sangma ha ka jingja ka balajia ha ka kendai trik telalingkan ha gold gown West Garo Hills ya uni usamla lapen kit no mardor shabhat bari community health center bat hadin lapen kan ria shatura civil hospital banyo ya kajing sumar ka bakhamba henry ulaklat no namar ka jiman saujor ni penram jor ya kan jingja kam thombor bat ha kaju ka por ni pha ru ka jing sngo lam shaki bahying ha sam jong uni ulanon ong umentri rangba ula ong baha katika mit sing tho ding ki pulit ka West Garo Hills kila shim kia mardor pat pelong ya jing kan ra hakaleng ki jaka ha ka ba kila yo ban kem no ya laingot ki brio bat menta ki pulit dang thwet klam shong than ban yo kem shu shu e ki wei pat ki brio ki badan kti ha ka ni ka kampun triam na kaliang deputy commissioner ula khot pelong ya jingalang bat ki ken hun nong shong shnong repair ban thawi ka peace committee bat banyatai sani hakabaya de bat ka te jinja umentri rangba ula kintui ki nong shong shnong bakin penne ya ka shong suk shong shngan bat ban da bishar benya bat ban om nget klumari ki khubor ki bala ban pensa pryang ha ki rinsan social media ula kula ru e ki nong shong shnong baki pulit bat ki bor penyai district ki dang trayala ka jongka kam bat ban pentikna ban shimi ki senjam ki bating ya baro ki tu ki brio ki badan kti ha ka ni ka kam beman uhe pulit ke district ula pentip baka kinhuan ki pulit kila pelong ka jingkan ra ha kamit jong ka sni tho diang balala kan thop hapo ka yeng sa jong trai ka par mau ubala sha suba don benta halor ka ni jinja Henry uni utrai par menta ula don hapreng ka jing pet ri bat na kaleng ki pulit kila ong bagila beteng ban pelong ka jing thuat ka bajur ban yo kem ya u
Friends, yesterday there was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills, where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice. Thank you.